Click on this video, like, subscribe, stick around. If you're getting black flag, getting your hydration, your energy when you go out on those scouting missions or pulling cameras or setting cameras or filling feeders or building food plots, make sure you're staying hydrated. Use TripleRwoods at checkout on Black Flag. Also Rambo bikes, if you're scouting, use an e-bike like that Crusader right over there. It's fantastic, I love it. Use TripleRwoods when you check out. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm fixing to go out and hang some cameras. I'm trying to get all my cameras out. I like to have them all out by July 4th. Doesn't always happen. This year I'm a little behind, but for the most part, I like to get all my cameras out by July 4th. They're soaking all July, all August, and then I know where I'm gonna go opening day. And this year, we've got a late August, early season hunt that I wanna get in on. So this camera setup that I'm gonna do right now is one that I will put in a spot I probably won't even go to until late October or November. This is a rut spot on a ridge top, at the end of a ridge on a point that, for whatever reason in the rut, year after year after year, this is the spot. Last year I killed a little buck there. It wasn't a stellar buck or anything. It was just a little mountain buck chasing a doe, but I always have a camera there. There's a community scrape there that always gets hit. I'll include some videos of that because it's pretty cool. Year after year after year, this scrape's there. And I always put a camera on it. I don't want to go in there and interrupt or bump or mess anything up until the bucks start cruising through there looking for does, checking that scrape, looking for does in the area. So this is my setup for that. Number one, Reveal Ultra. This is at the time of this video being made, I'll use that disclaimer, the best camera on the market. I love everything about it. It's got the live stream feature. I don't use live stream just as much as I thought I would, but the camera itself is fantastic. The battery life's fantastic. The ability to GPS track, even if somebody wants to take the camera, fantastic. The cell signal's perfect. I've got this in some areas my phone won't send out a signal, and it works great, no issues. So I like the ability that has the screening here when you're aiming it, because if I don't have good signal to get in and live stream through the app, I can aim it with this, which is perfect. Just great quality. The ability to adjust the flash to that no glow or low glow. So if this is a high pressured area, so like pre-rut, I will put this on no glow so that they don't see it, they're not pressured, they're not bothered by it. Maybe when the rut comes, I'll switch it to low glow because they're not as nervous about cameras when they got something else on their mind. But the Reveal Ultra is a fantastic camera. It'll be the one I'm running for this particular setup. Next, and probably the coolest part of this whole setup, is the Reveal folding solar panel. This setup charges twice as fast as the older single panel camera solar panels, and it is really good. I love the ability that these folding solar panels have. They catch a lot of sunlight and they will recharge not only themselves, but they will recharge your LiPo packs as well. So you get the charging cable in here, you've got the cable that connects these camera and solar panel, heavy duty strap. This here is the actual solar panel. You've got a big metal bracket on the back. So your straps will go through this. This will strap to the tree. Because it's the folding solar panel, it opens up. You have a little latch back here, you slide that over. So now that stays open, the wind's not gonna blow it shut. It's twice the size of the older solar panels. It has a built-in LiPo pack in here, so it has power in here, but it also has the ability to charge the internal LiPo pack inside your camera. So it's charging itself, it's charging this. It lasts a long time. You can set this and forget it. You're not gonna have to worry about this. Make sure you're using one of the newer LiPo packs, not one from 2 or 3 years ago. You'll know if it has a little button on here. When you push that button, you'll see oh, my finger's covering it. You'll see the battery indicator light up and tell you just how much power is in this. So, pop out the AA's. AA's are a thing of the past. They're dead. Pop in the new one. I'll activate this one. I've also got a tree mount here. Because I do a lot of hunting in the Ozark Mountains, I have a hard time getting the angle I really want just strapping these to a tree a lot of times. So I'll use this tree mount as well. This tree mount allows me to tilt, turn, left, right, all that stuff with this little mount. And they're cheap, they're affordable. It's a really cool way to do this. So I'll run this strap through the tree mount and I'll be ready to strap this to a tree. We're gonna charge these up. So the LiPo pack I had was already charged. The solar panel will not be charged. I'll have to take this cable, give it a little charge, and then it'll be ready to hit the woods. Of course, we gotta activate the Reveal Ultra 2. On the bottom of these solar panels, which is really cool, the part that's gonna go into the solar panel has a little nut that screws on there and that keeps like squirrels and birds from pulling it out. Now a bear can still mess it up, but you've got a screw on this end that keeps it in the solar panel. On the part that's gonna go into your camera on the LiPo pack, you've got a little screw there as well. That screw will go into here on the bottom of your LiPo pack. That'll keep it from pulling out. If, again, a squirrel or something gets on it, it'll keep it from getting yanked out. All right, let's get these in the woods. Let's see if we can find some deer. All right, so here's a setup I've got. Folding solar panel, Reveal Ultra. I've got one of the newer LiPo packs in here that will charge it. This will charge that LiPo pack, so I've got that in here. This is an area that's just kind of a good rut area. It's a ridge point that runs out. Deer will be running up and down here chasing does in the rut. It doesn't really ever seem to do much until the rut. So this is the place I won't come into for a long time. When I do come in here though, this will all be running. I won't have to touch this until the end of season, because that double folding solar panel will keep this LiPo pack recharged. So all we got to do, flip her to work mode, slap her shut, and she's good to go for a long, long time. Hey, hold up, I'm just gonna interrupt for a second. If you're thinking about buying an e-bike, or even if you aren't thinking about buying an e-bike, go check out RambleBikes.com, use TripleRwoods. At checkout, it'll save you 20%, helps the channel out a ton. They're our biggest supporter. I appreciate you guys that have already been buying e-bikes on there. If you haven't thought about it, go put one in the cart. I know everybody thinks they're expensive, I can't afford one. Put one in the cart, use that code, and see how much it saves you. I think you'd be a little shocked at how more affordable they are. There are some on sale right now. If they're on sale on closeout, you may not be able to use the code. But if they aren't on sale, you can definitely use the code. If you have issues, shoot me a message on Instagram. Back to the video. Appreciate you guys.